hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to get a shareable link for a file uploaded in Google Drive. To upload a file, all you need to do is tap on New in the top left-hand corner. Then from there, you can select File Upload and you can select the file from your device. Once the file has been uploaded, all you'll need to do now to get a shareable link is simply tap on the three dots. Once you have tapped on the three dots in line with the file name, you are going to see the option Share. Now, if you were to copy the link directly right here and share it, the person would be able to view that file, but they would not be able to make any changes. Now, if it is a case that you would like to give them access to also edit the file, what you're going to need to do is tap on Share. After you have tapped on Share, you're going to see the option Anyone with the link, and you will see the option Viewer. You can also tap on Editor right there. So that means that anyone with the link and internet can edit this file. After you have done that, you could tap on Copy Link, and you can copy the link and share it with the person that you'd like to give access to. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.